Hello and welcome. Sharyq here. Welcome back to the CAD series. Today we're going to be going over a challenge to test out your assembly and your mate and flush and understanding. Let's get started. Okay, throughout this video I'm going to be kind of switching throughout different tabs on my desktop. So basically, for this video, what you're going to be making is this frame right here. You can find it on AndyMark, but I will leave a zip file with all the parts that you will need to assemble this. The only thing you will not be putting in is the churros. That's the actual name of the part. So the three parts that we will supply you are the outside plate, the end plate, and the inside plate. So if I go into Inventor, I have all of these open. So in this complete assembly, what we want you to do is put the outside plates on both sides, put the end plates over here facing inwards, and put the inside plates inside there 6 inches away. Alongside all these parts, I have supplied a drawing of the information you will be needing, the distance between one end to the other along here, and the distance between this so you know how to offset it. One small rule for this challenge is just don't cheat. It's not going to benefit you whatsoever at all. I'm not checking it. I'm not actually here. I'm just showing this to you through video. This challenge is for your own benefit, so I would suggest that you try not cheating and just looking at the solution. But other than that, just go for it. One tip I will give for this challenge: when you're initially setting it up and you place down your first part, you may realize that this part is grounded and you can't rotate it so that it's facing upwards. What I would do is I would go over here, disable grounded, go over here, and enable free rotate, so you can go over to the side and make this up straight so that the short side's on the top and the long side's on the bottom. But other than that, this is going to be very dependent on your understanding of how to use constraints. I wish you best of luck. The solution will be at the end of this video. Again, I recommend you don't look at it. This is for your benefit. Other than that, get started. This is the solution. Make sure to watch this after you're done with the assembly. This will just go over how I did it. So I'm going to open up assembly. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to place the end plate. From here, I'm going to do exactly as I gave in the tip. I'm going to disable grounded, go over here, enable free rotate, go to the right side, and make this up straight, so that way this chassis is up straight. Once from there, I'm going to reselect grounded, so this whole thing is grounded. I'm going to place the outside plate, and I'm going to rotate this on the X, and it rotates this on the Z, so that I can place one right there. From there, I'm going to use my constraints, starting off with flush. I'm going to make this the top flush with one another. I'm going to mate this side right here with this side right here, and I'm going to make this side flush with this side, so that way this first corner is done. Now I'm going to basically do the same thing but on the other side now. So I'm going to rotate this on the x-axis, rotate this on the z, 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 place that there. From there, I'm going to do the same thing, flush constraint on top and right there. From there, I'm going to drag this out a little bit so I can connect the next bit. I'm going to do mate on this side and go over onto this side, and that is done. And from there, I'm going to go to this side, click flush, and this is a white piece. This is the exact download, so it's a bit weird, but you'll just find that side and then make that flush with that. Now we have 3 sides on this. All we need to do is place the last side down, which should be an end plate. I'm going to rotate this by on the x-axis, then rotate this on the z, so that the short side is on top and long side is on the bottom. Place that there, and from there I'm going to pick up the flush constraint, make the top of these flush with one another, make from here, what should I go for next? I'm gonna mate the sides together. I'm gonna take this. No, that shouldn't be a mate. What should I go for next? Yes, actually, wait, I am gonna go for a mate. It's just I was thinking the wrong piece. Gonna go right here. Gonna go to the inside of this space and do that. And from there, just make this side flush with this. Or, oops, must have done something wrong there. It's a bit hard to see the white sides, which is fine. Yeah, that's it. So that way we have a rectangle. Now we still have to place in those inside plates. So how we're going to do that, we're going to rotate this on the X again, rotate this on the Z. I'm going to place one there. I'm going to rotate this on the Z 2 more times so it's facing opposite way. And from here, we're going to be doing the exact same thing. Assemblies, once you got the hang of them, and once you know what you're doing, it is very much just knowing where to connect the pieces. So I'm going to do one there. I'm going to mate this side to this side and offset it by 6 inches. And what is the only side I have not constrained? It is this side. So I am going to go over here, get the constraint, get the mate, find this side, go back here, get this side, and boom. Now this side is all grounded. Now from here, I'm going to do that exact same thing to the other side. I'm going to mate this side to this side, but an offset of 6 inches. Then go from there and find this side and mate that to this side. And what is the only side that I've yet to constrain? And it is the y-axis. So I am going to make the top of this flush with this. And your chassis should be complete. You look at it from the top view, it should look right. And yeah, you've completed this. Hope this video was good. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.